Oh.
Welcome back, guys. So today I decided to show you how to go ahead and make some baked okra. And I got this idea from YouTube. I was just, browsing online to see what type of healthier meals I can make or snacks. So I decided to make baked okra today. So we have our salt, coriander, black pepper, some ground turmeric, as well as our parchment paper. We have our chili powder, lime, as well as some some extra virgin olive oil. We have our okra, and I also have my bowl that I'm going to use along with some teaspoons, bowl, and our pan. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you step by step how to make some baked okra. Okay, so to start is we're going to go ahead and wash our okra. So you could just go ahead and, run some water over it or use a bowl to go ahead. I added cold water and just gonna let it sit for a little bit while I get my ingredients together. All right, so I went ahead, washed my okra, and now it's drying. But in the meantime, I have my ingredients here. So I have all my ingredients. The salt, pepper, olive oil, and all that. And I'll list everything in the description box. But I'm going to go ahead and add it to this bowl. And like I said, I'll list the measurements in the bottom. I'm just adding it and going to mix it up. This is the salt. And the oil will be added afterwards. Just gonna go ahead and mix everything. Okay, so just, give it a good mix. And it's a pretty color. So now what I'm gonna do is cut the tail of the okra and the top. And you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in half. Just like that. You can get rid of the seeds if you want, but I like the seeds. Just go ahead and cut it in half. And just continue until all of it's done. And add it to your bowl. So have a bowl next to you. You can go ahead and add it. And just continue. Okay, so now that I cut up my okra, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze, this is a half, the lime in. Gonna go ahead and add my powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. I like to use my hands. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the olive oil to the bowl and mix it. Give it a good mix. That is so pretty and colorful. Just keep mixing it. I want to get everything in there. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead, it's seasoned, and I placed it on the pan with the parchment paper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven. It's gonna be on 350 degrees, and I'm gonna preheat it for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna let this bake for 25 minutes. So I went ahead and plated my okra, and this is the final outcome. Go ahead and let me know how yours turned out.